How to fix your internet connection seems unstable in GCash app. Well, in order for you to fix this issue, first thing first, you have to check whether you are connected to stable internet connection or not. If you are not connected to stable internet connection, then all you gotta do is turn off the Wi-Fi and then rejoin it. After that, turn on the airplane mode and then turn it off within 15 seconds. Once you are done, now the next thing you want to do is you need to head over to the GCash app. Once you're in this page, you simply need to refresh the page, move out of the application, and then clear it out. Once done, you can reopen the application. Now the next thing you need to make sure that your application is up to date. Move into App Store and search for the application GCash. Head over to this app. Right here instead of open, if you see the option of update, then your application is not up to date. And it might be one of the reasons that you're facing this issue. In this case, simply click on update and update the app. Most of the time, updating the application has also fixed the issue, so you might be also good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.